Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Hadian bakarai jong kipat ba yanokin pa banlong MP na Meghalaya bat Kawei kijala kalapau hakasaw tarik jeliu Menteri rang ba ka Assam Himanta biswa sarma ula keno bahan Nagaland Manipur bat Meghalaya kiladon Nongïalam na Kawei Niam ki bomju kham yadon menta hakikam san perthei ki balaya khun Pyrshah ya ka kenhun National Democratic Alliance balayalam da ka BJP kini kadur khi bakran Himanta shakilat pathai khubor Assam kelas sapriang keleng Himanta ukhlem jer kerteng ya katakan Niam lan ya Nongïalam jong katakan Niam handai ulo ongru bakum kaseng kala banyak khun Pyrshah bat kiriu san perthei tangba om bat Nongïalam Niam kajing keno jong Himanta kalawan hadian baka BJP bat giseng san perthei ki badon hapo ka Shatri jong ka NDA kila syarem hakiwei pat ki kertong bat kiseng hakani ki election MP na Nagaland Manipur bat Meghalaya laban kedo bahaki arteli ki constituency ha Manipur ka Congress kala yo ya ka jingjob kat bah Meghalaya ka seng Voice of the People Party kala job na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency kat bah ka Congress kala job na Tura Parliamentary Constituency ha Manipur ka BJP kala Ïakhun hi ha baro arteli ki constituency kat bah ka nega seng kala Kershan ya ka National People's Party ha Shillong bat Tura na Nagaland ka badon Kawei ka constituency ka seng Congress kala job Pyrshah ya ka seng NDPP ka badan lang hakaken hun NDA.
NDA allies, NDPP, NPF and NPP have lost. Is there a concern?
I think there are state level issues, particularly in this election. Meghalaya, Nagaland and Manipur. A particular religion openly went against our government in those states, or openly done against the NDA. And that religion has tremendous followers in those states. So that has made the difference. It is not a political defeat because nobody can fight with a religion. So if tomorrow all the Sankaracharya seats and say that Himanta must lose, how can I fight with all the four Sankaracharya? So in Nagaland, in Manipur, and in Meghalaya, the specific reason is that a particular religion or leader of those religion works against the certain political party. Usually they do not interfere in politics, but this time for whatever reason, they interfered in politics, including Assam. Even Assam also we could not get vote of that particular religion. Because for whatever reason I have seen in the field, they have openly worked against the NDA this time. So that's my observation. But specific reason why Meghalaya has been lost, NDPP has been lost, you have to ask from Mr. Rio and Mr. Sangha. But for us, we own in Arunachal Assembly as a BJP, that's history. And in Northeast, we improve our tally also than last time. As a Northeast, BJP's tally has also improved.